Welcome to Earth Haven Point 2. Today, we go inside the factory to build the ultimate Hyundai N Vision 74 from scratch. It all starts with this ultra-lightweight carbon fiber monocoque chassis, engineered for maximum rigidity and high-speed stability.
Next, the heavy-duty rear subframe is bolted directly to the chassis, built to sustain the massive electric torque.
We are dropping in the twin rear motors. This setup delivers independent power to each wheel for precision torque vectoring.
Up front, the advanced racing suspension and electronic steering rack are mounted to give this beast laser-sharp handling.
The rear multi-link suspension is now secured, carefully tuned to handle aggressive track corners and high downforce.
Lowering the massive T-shaped central battery pack. It keeps the center of gravity low and balances weight perfectly.
Running the core 800-volt electrical architecture, these heavy cables deliver instant, massive power directly to the dual inverters. Positioning the twin high-pressure hydrogen tanks in the rear. These lightweight cylinders store energy safely for long-range performance. Now, installing the heart of the hybrid system up front, the 85-kilowatt hydrogen fuel cell stack. Fitting the heavy-duty triple-channel cooling system, it keeps the fuel cell, battery, and motors running at absolute peak efficiency. Before the paint hits, every single carbon panel is robotically sanded to absolute flawless perfection.
The rolling chassis enters the paint booth without wheels or glass for a multi-layered, protective primer coat.
Sealing the rhenium blue paint with a high-gloss clear coat, oven-cured to resist extreme track heat and weather.
Applying the iconic rhenium blue base coat. This unique metallic finish gives the N Vision 74 its legendary heritage look. With the rhenium blue body ready, automated precision arms seamlessly install the front windshield and rear louvers.
Fitting the iconic parametric pixel headlights and taillights onto the rhenium blue shell. Retro meets future. Installing the driver-focused cockpit. This advanced console blends digital screens with physical controls on the rhenium blue frame. Securing the deep-sided racing bucket seats and wrapping the interior cabin with premium, track-ready Alcantara materials.
Mounting the custom N Sport steering wheel and locking down the electronic center console wiring harnesses.
Mounting the retro-styled aero disc wheels wrapped in sticky, high-performance rubber onto our rhenium blue machine.
Attaching the massive rear motorsport wing and underbody diffuser for insane downforce on the rhenium blue body.
Flashing the custom Powertrain software. This ECU syncs the hydrogen fuel cell and battery for seamless power delivery. Pumping in high-pressure hydrogen gas and topping off the specialized cooling fluids for the hybrid system.
The ultimate dyno test. Over 680 horsepower roaring to life on the rollers perfectly.
Thanks for watching Earth Haven 02. Hit that subscribe button right now for our next epic build video.